Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I want to discuss the intermittent fasting symptoms that you get during healing. A lot of people don't talk about it. You need to know why you're getting those headaches. In the meantime, make sure you stick around. I got a gift for you at the end of the video that'll help you with your health. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that little notification bell for future videos because I post a video every single week. When you get to this point in the actual fast, you're going to start experiencing some differences in your body. One of the things you're going to experience is going to be headaches. When I went through the cleanse the first time, I started experiencing headaches. Those headaches moved all around my head. The first day, I had the headache sitting right here in the front of my head. Now, it wasn't a crucial head thumping headache, but it was an annoying headache that just sat right here all day. Even when I took a nap, it wouldn't go away. The next day, I had the headache on the right side, and it just sat there. It wasn't a throbbing headache, but it was just annoying that it was there. The next day, I had the headache on the left side. It wasn't throbbing, well, you get it. Then the last day, I had the headache in the back of my head. After those 4 or 5 days, the headache stopped. This is what was happening. In every part of your head and your brain, it was removing the toxins. The toxins start coming out, so they start going down like this, down your head. I also noticed that I started to get blurry vision, which in the early part of the fast, my vision got better, but then it started getting blurry. Those toxins that were coming out were coming down inside your head like this. Toxins come out of your body from the top of your head down throughout your body going downward. So that's why you're going to start experiencing headaches probably by the second or the third day. Once you start experiencing the headaches, hang in there. Do not take aspirin. Do not take any man-made anything. Just deal with it. They usually are not throbbing headaches. They're usually just annoying. They just sit there. So I wanted to make sure that I re-emphasize this because this is where a lot of people fall off. They start getting these headaches and then they say, I can't take this because I got so much stuff to do. And they go and take some aspirin, ibuprofen, whatever, and then they end up putting more chemicals in your body. That's not what we want to do. Deal with the headaches. It'll last anywhere from 3 to 7 days, and after that, the headaches will go away, and if you don't put any more chemicals in you, you won't get any more headaches, I promise. I haven't had a headache in, it's been a long time, years. So if you found this information to be helpful, give me a thumbs up, and like and share this video. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click that little bell for future notifications of when I post a new video. I post a new video every week. You can follow me on all social media at God Cured Me. Also, for a free list of foods that you should eat for nutritional value, or if you want to jump straight into learning how to heal yourself or virtually any disease God's way, visit my website at godcuredme.com. All the links are in the description box below. And as always, my name is Raulh. I won't just pray for you. I'll feed you knowledge. May your health be blessed through your works. Hope to see you soon.